How to delete Google search history. Let's begin with the video. First, start by launching the Google on your device. Now tap into the search bar. You will see a list of recent searches appear. When you spot the one you would like to remove, simply press and hold on it. A small menu will appear asking you to confirm. Hit OK. And that search item will instantly disappear from your history. But if you are looking to clear more than just one search, go back to the main screen and click on the three dots located at the top right corner. From there, select History to view your full browsing activity. Next, click on the Delete Browsing Data. You will now see a Time Runs option. Tap the arrow beside it and pick how far you want to erase. Make sure Browsing History is selected so you don't miss anything. Lastly, hit Delete Data and your selected searches record will be cleared from Google. That's it. I hope this video helped.